First impressions matter, and for Little Rock homeowners, curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived by guests, neighbors, and potential buyers alike. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to refresh your home's exterior is by upgrading your entry door. Modern replacement door designs offer an ideal combination of style, performance, and durability, making them a smart investment for homeowners looking to elevate their property's appearance. Here's how modern replacement doors can dramatically boost curb appeal for Little Rock homes. Clean lines that instantly update your home's look. Modern door designs are known for their sleek profiles and refined details. Unlike older doors that may appear bulky or dated, today's replacement doors feature clean lines that give homes a fresh, contemporary feel. Design benefits include minimalist panel configuration, smooth or subtly textured surfaces, streamlined hardware, balanced proportions. These elements help Little Rock homes look updated and well-maintained without overpowering their architectural style. Stylish color options that make a statement. Modern replacement doors come in a wide range of colors, allowing homeowners to personalize their exterior and create a strong focal point. Popular color choices in Little Rock include bold hues for eye-catching entrances, neutral tones for timeless elegance, dark finishes for modern contrast, custom colors to complement siding and trim. A thoughtfully chosen door color can dramatically enhance curb appeal and express personal style. Glass inserts that add light and visual interest. Many modern doors incorporate glass elements that brighten entryways while enhancing exterior design. Today's glass options are designed to be both stylish and secure. Common glass features include vertical or geometric glass inserts, frosted or textured glass for privacy, energy-efficient insulated glass, decorative designs that suit modern or transitional homes. These details add depth and character to the front of the home. Materials that combine beauty and durability. Modern replacement doors are available in materials that deliver long-lasting performance while maintaining their appearance. Popular choices include fiberglass doors, offering a wood-like look with minimal maintenance, steel doors, providing strength and a sleek appearance, composite materials, engineered for stability and efficiency. These materials resist warping, cracking, and fading, ideal for Little Rock's varied climate. Enhanced trim and hardware for a polished finish. Upgrading the door alone can make a difference, but pairing it with modern trim and hardware completes the look. Modern hardware options include matte black or brushed metal finishes, contemporary handle sets and locks, clean, coordinated trim designs. These finishing touches give the entryway a cohesive, high-end appearance. Improved proportions and fit for a seamless appearance. Modern replacement doors are designed for precise installation, ensuring a snug fit within the existing frame. This improves both performance and appearance. Benefits include even spacing and alignment, reduced gaps are visible where a clean, professional finish. A properly fitted door enhances curb appeal by looking intentional and well-crafted. Increased home value through exterior upgrades. Curb appeal upgrades are some of the most valuable improvements homeowners can make. Modern replacement doors are especially attractive to buyers, offering both style and efficiency. Long-term benefits include higher resale value, faster buyer interest, improved first impressions, enhanced confidence in home quality. Make a lasting impression with a modern door upgrade. For Little Rock homeowners, modern replacement door designs offer a powerful way to boost curb appeal while improving durability and performance. With sleek lines, stylish colors, energy-efficient materials, and professional installation, a new door can completely transform your home's exterior. If you're looking to make a strong first impression and elevate your home's appearance, upgrading to a modern replacement door is a simple change that delivers impressive results.